This is a terrain file for TerraGen. It defines 3D mountains and skies. You can't view it with a photo viewer. You need the free version of TerraGen to render the scene. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the download. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your TGD, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. When viewing the file metadata, the TGD shows a direct link to the data file standard. The TerraGen World File provides the necessary schema for validation. A TGD file is a world file created by TerraGen, a software package used for rendering and animating realistic natural environments. It stores information about the terrain, including elevation data, textures, and other parameters that define the landscape. These files are essential for recreating and sharing specific world designs within TerraGen. TGD files are structured according to TerraGen's internal format, which includes data for terrain height maps, surface shaders, and object placement. The format is optimized for efficient rendering within the TerraGen engine. Modifying TGD files directly without using TerraGen can lead to data corruption or unexpected rendering results. System file recognition for TGD is optimized for Planetside software TerraGen by Planetside software. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your TGD file and choose Open With. Your best bet is Planetside software TerraGen. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If you still can't open the TGD file, it's okay. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, use TerraGen. Open the file using Planetside software TerraGen, the required application for the landscape generation project. Next, check dependencies. Ensure all associated textures, height maps, and objects referenced by the project are present in the correct path. Finally, render to image, not just video. Use the software's render function to output the final landscape as a universal PNG or AVI file. If running all local programs produce no positive result, it's clear that only a universal engine will work. The decisive fix is to try using that engine for your TGD file. File magic is the secret weapon for a reason. Its powerful feature set includes instantly viewing the raw contents of the TGD file, even if Windows misidentifies the extension. Get your copy now at filemagic.com. Thanks for hanging out until the end. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated.